And where are we? We're at the Slime booth, Sea Otter 2018. I'm talking to Brandon. He's going to give us, well, he told me to do it, this really cool demonstration about how we're going to see Slime Tire Sealant work in action. So first of all, this nail is going into the tire. That is in there. Ready?
That's in there.
Here we go. And it's. Oh, can you do that?
All right. Now I'm gonna spin it
Okay.
and see if we can find it.
Is that it right there?
There you go. You can see that sealed,
That was like one spin, one rotation.
just like that.
Apparently, Slime Tire Sealant works pretty well.
It's premium sealant.